Hey, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with a new video. Today I am going to discuss about the detailed resources and tutorials for Linux networking and AWS. Actually, on my last video I got a comment from one of my subscriber that he needs or she needs some tutorial resources for step-by-step learning for Linux networking and AWS. So in this video I am going to discuss about that. Also, I will discuss in more depth or in more detail. So let's start the video. So Linux and networking are the backbone of cloud engineering or DevOps engineering or any infrastructure engineering. So for Linux, I am going to share actually two resources. One is Linux in One Shot by Train with Shubham and Linux and networking course by Abhishek Viramalla. So these are the one of the best tutorial in Linux for beginners if anyone wants to start their career as a cloud engineer or DevOps engineer. So they can refer to this channel for these tutorials. Apart from that, if you are from computer science background or IT background, then you have already learned about that in your course or curriculum. Like you are aware of Linux and networking if you are from IT or CS background, and if you are not, then that is a no problem. In this channel, Abhishek Viramalla and Train with Shubham, you can get the primary to intermediate all types of courses based on Linux, and you can learn from that. So these are the resources for Linux and networking. Actually, if you want to learn Linux and networking, only theoretical concept will not help you more. You need to do hands-on. For hands-on, you need a laptop, obviously, and you need one virtual machine that may be on cloud or that may be like in your Oracle VirtualBox. You can install VirtualBox and you can import the ISO images of different types of Linux in that VirtualBox and play with the Linux and networking on that VirtualBox. So next is cloud. Cloud means I have already discussed about that is AWS. So there is a course AWS Zero to Hero. You may want to refer that by Abhishek Viramalla. I have shared the link in description. So in that course you can easily learn different types of AWS concept as a beginner to intermediate level. So these are the courses you may want to refer, or you want to take lessons from these courses on Linux networking and cloud. These are the free courses, no charge is needed. You can check on their channel too. Apart from this, from my personal recommendation, if you want to buy any course, so then I think you can refer to the Stephanie Maric course. Like Stephanie Maric, who has created different types of certification course on AWS. I think you are aware of that. If you are not aware, I have already shared the link in my description. You can check on that. Stephanie Maric is a great tutor, so you can refer to his course also in Udemy, and that is, I think it's probably $5 or $6 maybe. So you can refer to that also if you are also preparing for certification exam. So before any certification, I will suggest do hands-on, get your hands dirty with different types of scenario on Linux and networking, and also AWS Core 4 services. Once you are ready with that, then you can go to the intermediate level of cloud services, also get your hands dirty. Once done, then you can go for the certification. So what certification you will do or you will need for Linux and networking or AWS, I will create a separate video on that. Today I am not going to tell about that. So for that I will create separate video. So these are the resources is very helpful. Resources are very helpful for Linux networking and AWS, you can refer to that and share your thoughts in your comment. And if you are completely beginner, then these resources will be very helpful. In the upcoming videos or in the near future, I am also planning to launch a Linux step-by-step guide from my production grade experience. So I will try to share some more details on that in terms of Linux networking and cloud. So hope you like this video. Follow this channel, subscribe this channel, and if you like this video, share with your colleagues, share with your friends, share with your anyone who needs that or who wants to learn that.